I work in the Industrial and Systems Engineering department. I teach courses related to manufacturing, additive manufacturing, but also product development. And in my role as the director of CAMAL, the Center for Additive Manufacturing and Logistics, we do a lot of research projects with industry, with government labs, but also other types of entities. Additive manufacturing, it's different from traditional manufacturing in the way that you're adding material layer by layer until you have the shape that you want. And it's all driven by computer models. We have 3D printers that print in polymers, ceramics, metals, composites. And we're at the stage now that we're starting to use these technologies for real production as well. We're currently working with a number of different companies that are looking at additive manufacturing as a new way of production. In many cases, it's components that are very difficult to make using traditional processes, where additive manufacturing could be a good solution. So we're going through these processes and developing what will it take to actually make real parts and trying to build a business case with them. We've been involved in some research where we're looking at developing new materials, where the request is to make materials that are easier to recycle. And that means using less energy to do the recycling and getting a higher gain from the recycling process as well. I've had the opportunity to work with a lot of colleagues from other colleges and other departments on research. So most of my medical research has been done with the College of Veterinary Medicine, but I also teach a course that is multidisciplinary in product development, where we have faculty and students both from engineering and the business school that are working on developing products together. I've always had a passion to help young faculty members that are starting out with their careers. I'm trying to get young faculty involved in research projects, getting them involved in the community around the university and getting them up and going. Most of the things that we do within the Center for Additive Manufacturing and Logistics is really think and do. Working with companies or working with government agencies is the problem solving and then come up with a real solution.